Good afternoon. Last one for Inside the Week for PG News for this afternoon, country people them. We go take unam, we go for that side. So for East region, for talk this palava for our roads, where the worry people them, for village where they call them say Somalo. Inside Torito for this afternoon, we go talk for now, palava people them for it, they no get birth certificate. We just now, Betua Council, it don't join up with ministry where it they consign for who side for decentralization and local development for CS where they go help some picking the way they no be get birth certificate for that side. So for inside Betua Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for C as we chairman for Social Democratic Front. Pani John Frundi, they deny say make no go for Sonaram. Sabi say waka for Pani John Frundi for Sonaram for Thursday. It be just then at 24 hours after we chief them say they be go for Sonaram and they no be deny chief them for go. But Pani John, they talk say they don't block place and commission it dey up already where they look inside this palava for fire where it be born for that side. So for Sonaram, waka for Pani John for that side for Limbe and even for side for Kumbam. We go talk. Sabi say woman damba team says if they get one damba where they get for Nakam, where they must win if they get for continue for remain for inside France. Dan damba it come now for Saturday and they don't continue for prepare for CS where they go win Dan damba. Forget hopes for remain for France. Newspaper then says the Guardian Post, the Drum, even the Post Weekend plus the Summit, Footprint Magazine. The day with we where we go talk case for person we don't lose. We get them to for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say snake, it dey like a rope, but no one day person, it never make mistake for use and for tie firewood. I say snake, it dey like a rope, but no one day person, it never make mistake for use for tie firewood. Ntungwe Isidore for that side for Angola Maniba. Moya, na send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back, small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una again. Chapter 2 where we did knock Tori for this side. Chapter for this afternoon, we go start. Now with the palava for funny road them, we'll get them for inside country. Now so people the way they waka go for inside Somalo, for East region for we country. They di suffer, moto the dance go one side, come back, it dance go one side, and sometimes they say moto they di chakara for road, just for sika way, roads dey at all for place where they call them say Somalo. Dry season or for wet season, anytime people they di suffer, bridge for day for inside that village where they call them say Somalo. Now the people then say they di turn for see as where they go carry plank them for use and fix their bridge. Sabi say Somalo, now one of the place and that say we'll get this our short ping them where they dish down for that side, bet for enter for them. Now come and see, now so self where we talk, road no day, and even palava where they go cut firewood for inside that village. All that one they so nothing then that way people them inside Somalo they cry for sika say for enter for inside that village. Moto must to use all his sense. Now so moto the dance for sika say it they so road. It the kene for inside this arrangement. I say the road now one way people they beg just now make and come now. He try for do something and for help the people that way them too they vote. Anytime when they talk say vote, it dey for inside country. They beg make their own life too. It be some more better. No be na say na them say they go the turn for struggle. Then other people them they can carry firewood them for inside the village go with them. We go left palava for that side. We take una just now go for we go remain for inside the Betuam for talk this palava for birth certificate according to a book where it come up for that side for people that they look out birth certificate. With the here for that side for Far North 43,000 people them they no get birth certificate. Then total now 400 picking the way they get for right exam where they get age where they never get birth certificate. Now for Sika why that where ministry for decentralization and local development government join up with Betua 1 council. They don't give just now plenty birth certificate for picking them for that side, so where they call them say East region. And according to what the big man they talk, they say for that side, for inside the chapter, they don't give more than 200 birth certificate them. Sabi say the palava for birth certificate, plenty mami them, they the born picking, they know the fit for make birth certificate for picking them. Sometimes them they decry na palava poverty, na for sika why that we ministry for decentralized and even local administration or development. Them say they don't join up with Betua council just now for help picking the way they no get birth certificate for that site. Inside Douala here, some small dongamen too, it be happen where it concern a woman. Sabi say woman then says na them the ever hear about for inside this palava where they show them pepper. Now for see why that where United Nations people then says they shidon for inside small dongamen for Douala here for talk on top this palava where they so that they ever look out woman then like people there they no get no place inside the society. So they make woman then to say me they understand, say them too if they want and say make they talk, make people them hear, them too they fit talk, make people them hear. So this small dongamen or this small school where United Nations people then say they happen inside Douala here. It be then another one where they want give power again for woman, for if for Sabi say he no be only woman for woman as way they, but he says he get right for talk. So na palava for make woman then too for Sabi to say they no only get for she done the here, they answer now only yes, them too they fit work for say make country e go for before. Now for see why that where people them for inside the United Nations say they talk say make they bring this small school for teach woman them, say make them no fear, make them take their right inside their hand, but no be na palava for insult that right so you get them. Now for respect and continue for duty we get for do am. So woman now so they talk now so it ever happen. We go take una just now, we go for that side. So for Limbe 3 council, Sabi say these people them for that side, they did hear about. This palava for Northwest West, according to council them or councilor them and even mayor for that side, they say it don't make and just now, they know the year fine at all. This one, na talk we come out as we council people then say they be meet up for inside their session where they be get for Shidon, for look team way it dey so they be get for Duam for inside 2018 and for plan as we 2019 to don't enter, they say where they get for go. Sabi say inside this council session, them too they decry. Council, you know, the fit for go take is small money them where the ever is for take and for being place them for market all for Sikadi palava for Northwest West, but except that one according to way council put and talk even this Njanga where the ever use or go take tax for that side, even the people themselves on Njanga just now them too they throw head for Giam only for Sikadi's palava for Northwest West where it make thing them strong. Sabi say this council session for Limbe 3 way happen it be there to not time where they talk say the only good thing where they don't take them na their council house where they don't almost finish or build them apart from say they get for fix the roads where it go for the council house, but just now one big point where they don't get them na their council house say they don't fix them, but they also continue for join up for talk from governor main governor try for see where they go do so that peace it go come for inside Northwest. Now assistant SDO SSF it be there for that council session and the assistant DO SDO he don't talk saying governor he go also continue for follow work with council people them for inside Limbe they do Sabi say they cry saying governor too he no one give them land where they fit make their own small house and for the way he go help council them. So just now the people they cry and palava for Northwest West it don't make Binet he never show at all for inside Limbe 3 council session as we Tori he enter for inside we here. We go open chapter just now for Waka for Pani John Frundi now for inside Limbe. People that way they be one go for that side from Ngeme yesterday for early morning time. They be get for Tana for long line. Now for Sika waiting. Moto they Tana for long line. All the moto then so for Ngeme. Now for Sika say near them and other way come up for up. They say make Pani John e no just try e cross enter for inside Sonara. Yes, all the long lines so na for Sika Pani John wey e dey so dey stop am. Pani John say sef e be wan go talk Asia for people dem for Sonaram after wey e dey so fire e enter for day. But DO for inside Limbe too e comot e talk for Pani John say lie to lie according to commandeer dem don talk for me say make I tell you say you no fit go for Sonara, and na say Sonara just now commission e don dey wey dey look for investigate. Pani John ask am say so ye like Cameroonian e no fit go see Sonara e talk Asia for that people dem. They say no way you no fit go. Na e wey Pani John say sef e take himself e ask question. He say so he Pani John e don turn na bomb for inside country. He don turn na war person for inside country. He don turn na bad person for inside country wey dey deny e say make e no see wetin wey happen for inside Sonara. Question wey Pani John ask am na so too e dey so before Pani John the one waka enter for Limbe na only 24 hours before chief dem wey dem bin don go see am. Why dem no deny chief na the question that way people dey ask am. Other one dey talk say Pani John be get for take permission before e go for Sonara. Na so the thing get for be question wey all man e don ask am so take time e no dey. But last Pani John talk say dem say the sabiti wey dey hide am for inside that fire wey catch na for Sika why that way dey deny e say make e no go for Sonara for go city wey e dey happen for that side. He say no go bring trouble. He enter for a motor. Next place where Pani John e go as well dey deny say make e no go Sonara na for that side for CDC. Even for CDC big man for CDC Franklin Gunning Gem e no be dey na e own workman e can't talk for e na for outside. The only person wey Pani John even glad plenty with am na Paramount Chief for that side so for Limbe wey e take time so take comot. He even give Pani John small dash say the one na for talk say that key wey Pani John dey give am so e mean plenty thing for people that they no understand. And Pani John e thank Paramount Chief for Limbe and e make it sabi say time wey papa be dey alive that time wey papa no be don go waka dem too dey be dey na better come be dem for inside that side so for Limbe. Sabi say before Pani John e be wan go meet up Paramount Chief for that side so for inside the Limbe. Pani John e be dey for side wey they call am say SDO office. For SDO office too Oga Emmanuel Engamba Ledu wey na SDO for Fako e run the office. He talk say me Pani John he meet up na first assistant wey be the title face like say don see na some smelling shit for it before. Pani John he vex plenty for the kind of way they look at it and he don't talk say anyhow he don't see till it don't happen and he no go vex. He go ye and sabi say tori people dem too one time their camera dem too they be seize am for SDA office na security people they do am. But Pani John he can last enter he talk. Now for that time they give tori people their work go them. Now so to Pani John he take comot for inside Limbe. He continue work for inside Southwest region. Na just so the worker for Pani John, he be there for Limbe as we are talk. From Limbe, Pani John be enter for Kumba one time. He come up for Limbe, go for Kumba for Meme division. First place we enter, na for inside SDA office. Ntu Ndong Chamberlain, in a Pani John, they talk plenty. Sabi say Ntu Ndong Chamberlain, when a SDO say for inside Meme division, he glad for meet up with Pani John Frundi, and he even talk say make he send to them, may they follow Pani John as well. This also continue for Tonton for town. Pani John talk say no, I no want me security for my corner. Me one, I be na security. I go Tonton after where I come. So after they finish talk, them two say they glad. They come out. Pani John he enter for inside moto one time. Pani John enter for moto. He continue work for inside Kumba. Sabi say road where they go SDA office. Now the same roadway he dey for that side so for inside Kumba General Hospital. Now so to Pani John he stop too for Kumba General Hospital. For that side for inside hospital. Sabi say there be one born hospital. He meet up with big people there for hospital. He talk for them Asham. Now so to the big woman for inside Kumba District Hospital. He turn with Pani John. He show you the side way they so Palaba the Bonham for inside that hospital so for Kumba. Now just so the worker for Pani John he be there for Kumba SDA office hospital. He come out back for Southwest. As well be talk for now. Oga SDO be talk say make ketu them. They come look out worker for Pani John. But the ketu the way they come, Pani John talk say no one time. So they go them back. You understand? He call ketu them make they come. Pani John say he no want any security for a corner. Say they fine. So Ketu they come, they go them back. They say as we palm, he no want no trouble. Now make we enter to true now for inside Kumba hospital. Sabi say inside the hospital sesep as we the place he be born. Now so he dey sote now. Pani John says he be use his own crow eye, he meet up he see all thing. That motor with the bonham, the doctor them house them to the bonham. All place he see they the same. No, nothing never change since for February this hospital he born. So Pani John, he be take his time, he look all the hospital, even if he no do no nothing, but just for the fact say he like chairman for opposition party, he don't work and look all the place so they deny he, make he no go for some side them. He been a 1-1 big goal way Pani John don't score for inside the own political life as we don't ever they do so now just so Pani John it turn for inside the Boyam and inside the Limbe and Kumba Diwan na Kumba hospital where the Bonham they never change no nothing even as when governor don't promise say they go be new hospital so today they never come out even the old roof them where they be day all thing is also day as we they be born the hospital motor to for doctor where the Bonham all things also they them the one it already make more than 6-8 months where they born this hospital. No change it never be for inside that hospital for that side so for Kumba. We go remain for Kumba small for talk on top this palava way they so woman them sese way they so they don't run for sake of this palava for Norwest Southwest. Them too the people them they teach them how for make their own part. Woman they sabi till they call them say part na till when they sick when that blood don't start come up for their skin they feel use them for their skin so they be train some of the woman them for how way they feel use them. Sabi say plenty of the woman the way they come out for bush or side way they come out money no day way they feel use them for buy part all time so they be show them how we they use and make part where then say they go use them where they no go use money all time for go buy them for inside market. Tori we finish with palava for woman again. Sabi say woman damba team they dey for that side so for inside hotel for France for Valenciennes now for that side where they shidon as soon as they see them they enter now for inside their motor they want go make na their small echauff for that side so for Christophe Laurent Field now for the way they prepare for this their number 2 number where they get for Nakam for this FIFA World Cup where they happen for side where they call them say France sabi say woman damba team they get for Nang damba tomorrow for 2 o'clock Cameroon time with the go Nang damba with Netherlands now them be champion now then get cup for inside Europe so it be now another strong damba where woman damba team get for Nakam. Sabi say if woman damba team no win tomorrow then the chance for remain for France it don't go down plenty so if they get for win tomorrow we fit get hope say they fit knock the other people there they go play with them for inside that side so for the woman damba where they happen so they prepare and Sabi say just now we never hear anything whether some player they way well or waiting they happen then all man he dey kampe and all man he dey prepare for that damba wey get for pass tomorrow for that side so for inside France. Now so we see country for this afternoon country people them before we come out newspaper the day for we before Guardian Post now one of them that inside the Guardian Post they tell we chief them for Southwest, they don't go talk Asia for people them for Sonaram. After we fire he enter for that oil company for Limbe. Inside the chapter for Norwest Southwest, they tell we as when governor just now, he don't send so take 55 ngongoro them with all kind of chop them with even a matter them for inside for place on Norwest and Southwest. The Guardian Post says he try for tell we this afternoon on top the palaver as we dey so doctor then says they don't want say the palaver dirty way don't flop for inside Bamenda if he make people them sick but according to where the Guardian Post he talk am other tori the day where if you for read them inside the Guardian Post where it dey outside or particularly Cameroon says we don't win some awards for youths according to the Guardian Post. We enter for the post weekender or we enter for the post weekender where they outside inside the post weekender they tell we as we for the post weekender palava for Sonara big man and even the work people them they don't turn back for workplace after fire way he enter for them. Boko Haram says he don't do it what in 16 soldier them they don't sleep straight for Sika fights will happen for that side so for Darak now for inside Logon and Shari. The post weekender too in the ask question all that money then so where they be contribute when governor I don't give them say me they use them look out pamol and even even other big project them for Northwest and Southwest. Who side that money them or they don't go? Question where they post weekend that they ask them. Plus SDF where they ask just now, say me they make a transition governor for say me they shidon for solve this palaver for Northwest and Southwest. Story the day for inside the post weekend now just for you for buy you read. We enter now so for the drum a newspaper where they outside inside the drum newspaper calling people them they talk this palaver fire for inside Bali. They ask na big question waiting or now one put this big man Doje room for inside palaver. Now so today they ask him if the Doje room man is to get own ambassade where he the sponsor when them do that work again the drum it ask question so for inside the palaver. If na saying governor wan use Doje room head for do some other thing question with the drum he asks on this afternoon you feel read to inside the drum palaver how with this Northwest and Southwest palaver he fit for finish wait away through Jonathan he talk he try for talk say they so say may they start for talk with the people them now from village before they even come for town level inside the drum too you go read Tori palaver Bamenda and Kwejes now where he don't go he don't enter back for peace for Sika palaver the good people them they day for inside Bamenda and Kwe for make am say make place a quiet all thing them you feel for read them inside the drum even their editorial where they ask them if Gratango it been a curse for this anglophone palaver for say some Northwest fund and say they don't start talk say he don't over the show hate like say he over there the drum he gets order to read them you fit for read them. We get Summit magazine where it day outside this afternoon inside the Summit magazine 2 a day outside country people them we feel for read plenty thing them for day particularly palaver Rumpi where it don't change the name people there they know sabi Rumpi now one organization na house where they look out palaver for agriculture you feel meet up with Ogok Ntui doctor where you fit tell you on top that palaver how for look out your skin when you know where particularly heart sick you feel read them inside the Summit magazine 2 a day outside plus other Tori the way Summit a carry am for his skin this moon we enter for Footprints magazine 2 a day outside inside Footprint magazine where they for outside too you feel read Tori where he consign this pom where be passed for 2018 palaver mount where he be get for Chakara one time Tori people them for Footprints they go meet up Professor Ayongi and the own team the way they try for talk on top this palaver for mountain where he get for a vomit lava you feel read Tori too on top side where Kondengi name for Kondengi how the Kondengi start Footprints he get that answer now so to the talk palaver for Balondo people them where them they claim say they no been a tribe but again at their own civilization even Tori where it concern Reverend Foban Gerardine you feel read them for Footprint magazine where it day outside. Tori don't finish for chapter for information. Yes, chapter for Tori don't finish. We get case for person way he don't lost. This boy way una the see so country people them they call him na Ngunte name na Ngunte Kenye Amanuel. According to Tori we enter we here they say they picky for that side so for village Bamungum village according to Tori we enter they say come out for Bamungum village and picking for inside Douala here for number 13 day for inside this moon and they talk say be the go for e auntie house where e auntie name na Mantu Justine so e dey so na Johnny just come Sabi roads so he don't lost they bring it for Equinox Story House so any person wey sabi this boy where they call it say Kenye Amanuel and he sabi auntie wey be one can see am for inside Douala here with the bag una come meet up the Tori people them for Equinox here the Binet site they go tell you more about this boy elle a été retrouvée et conduite à la télévision Equinox une jeune garçon âgé de 17 ans il se nommait Ngute Kenye Amanuel il serait parti du village Bamungum le jeudi 13 juin 2019 pour se rendre à Douala chez sa tante qui se nommait Mantu Justine. Toute personne qui reconnaît sa tante est priée de lui demander de passer la chercher à la télévision Equinox. Now so we see country for this afternoon. We want to say big thank you for all people there. They make a midweek waka fine. Pidgin News debate, make una no forget, it come for Saturday 12:30 sote in NAC for 1:30, or Saturday they will return back for talk some of the big tori them where it happen for inside that this week. We'll just finish them. Happy birthday again for Ngane Jaden Ekwele. Happy birthday for Itungwe Isidore, and congratulate for Njika Monista where they go put the elder for church for that side for Fiango on Sunday. Thank you plenty, all people them, and don't forget you, Varios, Malis, Nadine, and even Severin Chumbang, we put on for Tori for this afternoon. We go meet up if Oti Waka fine, on a whole tight.